Okay, now let's go inside the module again. So I'm just going to click on the title, and that brings me in here to the content pages that I've already inserted in here for you to use. Now the content pages that are here are going to work just the way the module does itself, where you go in and you click here and you edit. So I can go to any one of these pages and edit this page and add my information. Now, for example, this is the overview page, so I could go in here and I can add text here. And I can search for YouTube video, again, just by going to Mashups and YouTube video and insert a video. By the way, when it comes to inserting video, I found out that one of the problems was that if you create a video and try to search for it too quickly, it will never show up on this list. So you have to wait. I'm guessing if you wait an hour and go back and search, you should have a pretty good chance of your video coming up on this list. The other thing that I discovered is if you create a video and search that video by its exact name and do exact phrase from the drop-down list, you will have a pretty good chance that it's going to show up on this list. For right now, I'm just going to search by my name and at least one of the words, because when I do this, it brings up my videos, and I'm just going to do this for an example. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and select this and submit. And remember, this was from our last video. We went through this process. All right, so that is how you go about just editing the content pages that I've already put in here for you. So it's very, very simple and exactly like it is when you add content just under your regular Blackboard course. And you probably go in under course documents, so this is the very same thing. Now, something I do want to show you is how you can use some of the tools in Blackboard, and under here a content folder. So if I add a content folder to this module, I'm just going to call this folder of stuff, and you can insert description. All right, and I'm going to submit this, and let me show you. That shows up down here as a folder. So now I can click this folder, and then I can go in and add an item to this folder. Okay, so now I have my folder on my menu, and I have an item that I added under the folder. Now up here across the top, these are called breadcrumbs, and if I want to back out of my folder, I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to click my breadcrumb. All right, and that's going to take me out. So now I've added a video to one of my content pages, and I still have all of these pages here. I have this folder that I added down here, and you notice when I scroll over it, it brings up an up and down arrow. I can move that folder on my list, and if I come up here and refresh, it moves the folder up on my table of contents.